President Emerson Mnangagwa to engage war veterans at HICC on June 6, 2025. Sanapita mashoko oda panguva inoi nemaflyers amuri kuona kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika panguva inoi oda kuincrease support base yake war veterans vari kuonekwa kunzi some of them vari kuva vachikola for his immediate resignation iri kusubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa papresidential empowerment omudanyira achiti in a significant demonstration of commitment to Zimbabwe's liberation heroes, President Emerson Mnangagwa will convene with the war veterans at the Harare International Conference Center, HICC, on June 6, 2025. This pivotal gathering serves as a follow-up to the Presidential War Veterans Fund, a nationwide initiative spearheaded by the Special Investment Advisor, Dr. Paul Tungarara. The Presidential War Veterans Fund has been instrumental in uplifting the welfare of the war veterans, rolling out series of transformative programs across all 10 provinces. Presidential War Veteran Housing Scheme, providing dignified housing solutions tailored to the needs of ex-combatants. Presidential War Veterans Revolving Fund, a financial empowerment mechanism injecting $150,000 per province to facilitate business ventures and economic independence. Presidential War Veterans Borehole Drilling Scheme, ensuring access to clean water through borehole installations at war veterans residences. Presidential War Veterans Bicycle Program, enhancing mobility for war veterans, particularly in rural communities. Domashkaruya panguva ino atikona kuti aiwa the ruling parties and PF panapa nemtukamiri wenyika oda kusama konzertera their power aiwa kuma war vets. Vari kunokonzwa nabomsho Geza war veterans panguva ino vanozova vane influence kuma war veterans. Right now ndo vari ma voices ari high, very high, vari kukula up for the designation nemtukamiri wenyika.